Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today, I'm just going to show you a few more things. I have a memory dex card that came in from one of my subscribers, and I'm going to repair my happy book. First, this is the memory dex card. It is from Sunshine Honeybees. That is her YouTube. Her Instagram is hallcraft_creation. And she sent me a little note with it and said that, she was sorry that she missed the deadline and that she wanted to participate anyway. So, Miss Hall, thank you so much. I got it. I'm going to put it in my box right here. And your thank you is going to be in the mail. If it's not in the mail by the time this video is uploaded, it'll be in the mail. You may have it by the time this video is uploaded, as a matter of fact. Just a few more other things that I found. I found these skeleton leaves that I want to see if I can incorporate them into the junk journal. I found these little small bags right here, and I found these tags. So those are a few other things that I want to try and incorporate into the junk journal. And the other day, well, one video before this one, I had said that I needed to repair the pockets on this one. And this is my happy book, by the way. And this is what I was referring to. These are the large stamp and die storage. It's 50 packs. It was 50 in here, and this is from Avery L. And what are these? These are 5.5 by 7 3/8 inch pockets. So it's a pack of 50. And let me see how many I'm gonna need to fix. I already taken the excess adhesive off of this page, so that's 2. This one is broken. I need to take that one off. That's 3. And there's another one I think that's broken back here, and that's number 4. And I'm gonna take the majority of this stuff out of these things so I can get my my new embellishments for my junk journal in here. So, but before I start putting anything down, I'm going to take this up. First of all, let me take one of these out. And I'm going to have to put the little Velcro dots on these as well. I'm going to take 3 out for right now. And let me just drop those on the floor. I'm going to see if I can get this off without tearing up, without doing this right here. Like I had when I pulled it off, some of the paper came off, which I don't mind, really. I brought in this washi tape, so if that actually gets on my nerves, I can cover it. And I think I'm going to do it anyway because I like those colors together. So I am going to try to take this off a little bit at a time. And yeah, there we go. Didn't tear up. So let me make sure this is the right way. And I'm just going to stick this down. There we go. And all I need now is to add the Velcro dot. And I know I have some up here. I have some left from the other day. Here they are. And I apologize too about the throat clearing. It's not, this is my sinuses. They just don't want to behave. So I'm just going to take this loose and make sure that's right. I'll put this on here like so and just push it down. Okay, so that's done. And there is one more like that. Let me move that out the way. And it's this one right here. So let's see if we can get the same result from this one. Voila. Excellent. So I'm going to take this again, make sure open this how I need it to be. I am just going to add it here. There we go. And you know that other Velcro dot is up here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Here's the other Velcro dot. And I am just going to add it over here. And push down. There we go. So now that's done. I'm going to take, these are just some Starbucks gift cards. I used to pick these up because I just thought a lot of them were just cute. So I used to pick them up. And actually they're excellent when you need to rip the tear tape. Yeah, these will work excellently. And like I said, they're cute. Look at this. I want this cup from Starbucks. I had to go and find it again. What's the name of it? Tristan Eaton. That's it right there. It's a tumbler, a ceramic tumbler that has that design on it. I got to have it. At some point in time, I am going to get that tumbler. So let me put these. Let me see if I got some place I can put these. See if they're fitting here for right now. I just need to get them out of the way. Okay. Close that. Nothing that she can stay. She can stay. Let me pull these. These are a couple of cards that I received. And I try to keep up with my stuff. I really do. I might stick them in my little embarrassment book. Yes. RAM. Laptop RAM. I think one is RAM and one is a network card. So, of course, this is the RAM. And I think this is the NIC. The wireless NIC. Yeah, that's the wireless card. It's for one of my HPs. It's an older HP. And it's the one that has the stylus attached to it. And you turn it and flip it and it'll do like a tablet. So, yeah. Those can stay. That can stay. So that's good. I have a few things. I think this is one of them. No, that's not one. Here's one. Like in this little thing right here. That's what's in here. These Kate Spade bow clips. So I just keep them in there so they don't get missing. Now, the whole book has come up missing before. And it was in that place that y'all know about what we talked about called Somewhere. That's where it had disappeared to. So let me see. Do I have pockets on all of these? Yes. And I just need to get pockets over here. Here's my red line tape. And I'm not going to put... When I first did this, I put tape like on both of these ends. And when I did that, I wasn't able to put stuff in it because it was smashed down. It didn't have any play in it. So I just put two like up in this area just to hold it like right here. So that way it'll give the pocket some expansion room. Oh, wait a minute. Before I put it down, let me make sure I'm on the right side. Yes, I was about to mess that up. So I need to put it on this side. Okay, where is... And it's no particular, width that I'm using. I just need to get it done. I just need it on here enough to hold it in place. Because with it being inside the book, they're not going to do a whole lot. You know what I mean? They're just gonna sit here in the book. Where's that? Here. I think I said I want to try this anyway. If I can find out where it starts and stops. Is that it? I think so. I need to pull out one of those Starbucks cards. Let's grab one. Okay. Seattle, Washington, Starbucks Coffee Company. That's pretty. I should have went a little bit. Oh my goodness, it won't tear. Okay. Where is my... Ouch. Oh, I got this little thing right here. Let me see if I can do it without cutting my book. But this thing is so sharp, guys. Oh my goodness, it is so sharp. And I actually love that. I've only had it a couple of days as of the filming of this video. I'm gonna try this again. Okay, there it goes. But I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go a little bit further in or out or whatever it is. There we go. There's just a little spot up here, and I'll cover that too. Oopsies. Let me see. I messed that up. Okay. Let's get this on. Let me go turn that down. Give me a sec. I had to turn the computer down. That's Hellboy that's playing. And I had to turn the fan on. I'm just sitting here sweating. I need to turn my AC on, but that'll be a little bit too much noise right now. Come on, let's get this off of here. There we go. And I'm just gonna get this down like so. Let's see, do I have any more dots? I think I had 2 more up here on the table. Yep, there they go. Y'all, I'm cooking with Crisco right about now. About to have a grease fire. I'm finding stuff. I guess if I clean my table up, I can find more stuff, huh? It wouldn't be in that somewhere file. Okay. It's actually kind of cute. Okay, let's get this one done. And I'm gonna use the same, excuse me, same washi. But just on these 2 pieces, these 2 places where the tape, where the tape has torn away the paper. Let me see, let me just take some scissors and see if I can cut that little piece off. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Y'all know it's up here, right? In my face. Okay. Got that done. Okay, let me grab one more. Then I have to go put these away. And I don't even remember how much these were. I would check, excuse me, I would check my Amazon account, and if I can find them there, what I'll do is I will put a link in this video at the description, in the description of the video. So if you wanted to, you know, grab you some of these things, you could. Oh, and by the way, I am once again an Amazon affiliate. So yeah, put that out there so nobody can say, oh, she's doing a sponsored video. No, it's not sponsored or anything like that. I just asked to be a Amazon affiliate, and they told me yeah. I was an affiliate before, and because my links didn't, nobody clicked on my links to buy anything, you know, after so long they disable your account, your affiliate account. So I guess because I had already had the account, they said, okay, yeah, since you're here, or you've been here before, yeah, you can have it, you know. So I got my affiliate account again, and yeah. So just know that I am an affiliate, and if you click the link, I get something. I don't even know what it is, because like I said, I've never gotten anything from any link that I've ever posted. Never. So I don't know how much it is. I hear it's just cents. You know, it's not like you're gonna get rich off of. Okay, I'm about to get mad now. Let me get my pokey tool. I hope I don't pokey hole in this thing. It's pulling up, still pulling up the whole thing. Okay, if this don't, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll be back. Okay, got it down. All right, so there we go. Now my happy book has been repaired, so it's waiting. It's awaiting my new embellishments for my junk journal. And I found some more papers, but I'm not gonna even worry about the paper anymore. I'm just gonna concentrate on getting stuff to go to embellish the book with, the junk journal. And it should be coming up really soon. Ooh, I got these too. So I found these. These are old, as you can see. You may not be able to see, but yeah, they kind of yellowed. And I'm going to be using these to, I guess, shade with when you put it on the ink, to be inking up stuff. So that's what I'm going to be using these for. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this evening. I want to thank you for taking time out of your video. Oh, listen to me. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.